How to log in to Yahoo Mail. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to log in to Yahoo Mail. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Yahoo Mail. In the interface that you will be led to, tap on the first link you see there, that is mail.yahoo.com. You will then be led to the login portal of Yahoo, so go ahead and enter your username, email address or your phone number and tap on the next button you see there. You will then be asked to enter your password. So go ahead and enter your password and further tap on the next button again, and with this you will be successfully logged in to Yahoo. Just in case if you have forgotten your password, then you can tap on the Forgot Password option and follow the on-screen prompts in order to be able to log yourself in to Yahoo again. So, this is how you can log in to Yahoo Mail. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.